Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make kimchi fried rice. First, gather your ingredients, including about 1 cup of chopped kimchi, 2 cups of cold day-old rice, and any protein you like. Make sure your kimchi is well fermented for that perfect tangy flavor. Prepare your vegetables by chopping them into small, consistent pieces for even cooking. Now heat a large pan or wok over medium-high heat with 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Add your protein, such as pork belly or tofu, and cook until it's nicely browned and cooked through. Next, toss in your chopped kimchi and saute it for about 2 to 3 minutes, allowing its flavors to deepen and become more aromatic. It's time to add the star ingredient, 2 cups of cold, day-old cooked rice. This ensures a perfect, non-soggy texture. Stir-fry everything vigorously, breaking up any rice clumps to combine all the flavors. Then, mix in 1 tablespoon of gochujang for a spicy kick and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil for a nutty aroma. Finally, taste your kimchi fried rice and adjust the seasonings as needed. You might want to add a dash more soy sauce or a bit of kimchi juice for extra tang. Garnish with a perfectly fried egg, some fresh chopped green onions, and a sprinkle of sesame seeds. Serve your homemade kimchi fried rice immediately and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.